Today I'm showing us three different brands. This is Two Lion Domestic, and behind me here we have the Two Lion Domestic as well. These three machines, they are very good for its starter, and if you know that you are having a very low budget, this machine is good for you. This is Two Lion Domestic. This machine that you have seen here, it can work for 20 good years without any interruption. And with this machine, you can start your sewing business and you grow from there. You see, don't have the mindset that I cannot start my fashion business this year. You can start. With that low budget, start with domestic sewing machine. They are available, as you can see here. We have them. They are much more available here. These machines help you start out, and from there I can tell you that you get some more capital, more skills to buy industrial sewing machine. What are you waiting for? This is available. This is also available at the store. Come and have it, and the payments are very affordable, and you have made it so simple. What are you waiting for? Come here now, place a call, place your order. We are happy to receive you. Thank you.